Hello hookers, welcome. I am Christy, the face of Inspired by a Smile. I would like to just stop in tonight to show you the yarn I bought for my birthday. So I decided to do an unboxing video. It came, well, it's now Friday night, Friday technically. It came on Valentine's Day, the day after my birthday, which works out. So yeah, I decided to start showing off my yarn hauls. It's not really big, but I still thought I'd open it and share it with you and show you what I got. So it is from Amazon. Let's rip into this box, shall we? I hope everyone's doing good and having a good year so far. It was my birthday on Thursday. Case, yeah. Alright, so the box is open. Let's see here. So if you know me by now, I really like granny square yarn. I don't actually make granny squares with it, but I love the variegated. So here is the first pack. Most of them come in packs on Amazon if you've ordered from them. This one is called, what is it? This one is Rad Party. Look at those pretty colors. Pretty rad, I'd say. And the second bundle I bought here, this one's really pretty too. Look at those pretty colors. I hope you can see them really good. This one, if you're this one's called Black Scarlet Sands. So yeah, pretty exciting. So yeah, most of them do come in these weird bundle packs if you try to order it from Amazon. They just started selling the singular skeins actually, from what I've noticed, and they have some really pretty colors on there, including, this was one of the first batches I bought actually right here, and I do have a tutorial with this hat on my channel if you guys want to make it, including the pom-pom too. Actually, I made this too. I crocheted it. So yeah, I just thought I'd pop in and do that with you. It was pretty fun, I think. If you haven't yet, go check out my tutorials and make some unique stuff yourself. This hat is in my Wear It playlist. And here, let's give one last look at the beautiful yarn. So this one again is the Black Scarlet Sand. It's got some pinks, red, yellow, gold. Looks like a bluish gray color. It's really pretty, mixed with black. And then the Rad Party, it's pretty cool. It has yellow, pink, and purple and teal mixed with black, looks like. So yeah. If you guys need to make some fun stuff with granny square yarn that's not granny squares, definitely check out my channel for that too, because I've made a lot of things with it. I don't ever plan on making the squares. It's just too pretty for that, I think. Check this out. I love it. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.